The Ulefone PowerArmor19 versus the Blackview BV9200. Which of these two rugged devices is best? In this video, I'm going to be comparing the top specs and features of both devices. Both devices will be launching on January 9th, 2023. The Blackview BV9200 will be sold for $200, while the Ulefone PowerArmor19 will be sold for $260. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's find out which of the two devices has the best specs. Perfect. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.